So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to try to search for your X account. So you have, when you search for your X account, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap over here. So tap on this symbol. So when you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info of X. So when you get to the app info of X, tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed over here. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure this background data is still good on, because it's very important. After that, go back then tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is still good on, and we have to walk through or move or scroll to see whether everything is on. After that, go back, then tap on the full stop, tap on OK. Then I'll tap on storage and cache, then tap on the click cache. Then after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search in for X. So when you search for X, this is going to appear. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do lastly or next is to, tap over here, tap on this updates, and you are going to get your phone or your Twitter account or X account updated. So after updating it, tap on your power button for some while to get your phone restart. So tap on your phone button, then you tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.